Hello viewers, welcome to this new video. Today I will show you how to fix a short keyboard in laptop. We have laptop here. This laptop's backspace key is short, and when you type and press any of the backspace row key, it starts deleting all the typed alphabets. So let's first see what's the problem. I will go to notepad. Okay, now let's check. Let's type anything. Okay, you can see now when you press the backspace it won't work. It will not work. But when you press any of the key from this backspace row, all the typed content will delete suddenly. Now see, I will just press this 8 key and it's here, look. But okay, what is the problem? The only backspace key is short. That's why when you press any key from this row, it will start automatically deleting all this content. Now see, I will press any other key, 4. Okay, so the solution for this problem is, the first solution is need to replace this keyboard, because we have a laptop here. This is called higher Y11C laptop, but this problem is common. It can be happen with any laptop, and the solution is applicable to any keyboard problem with short key. So first option is to replace this keyboard, but this keyboard here in my laptop, it costs around more than 5,000, so it's costly. Another option to fix this issue is to install a keyboard software and disable this particular backspace key. So when this backspace key is disabled, it won't function and the problem will be resolved, but you may not use this backspace key. So let's start. What is the software? You will download a software from Google. I'll show you. Okay, now we open this Google Chrome and you have to type just key tweak for PC and press enter. From any of these free download websites, you can download this. Just download from the first website. I'll put the download link in the description so you can easily download. The download area is in the bottom. Here's the software. So just click this free download button and you will see the software downloading. I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it again, but I will show you how to install it and how to disable this backspace key. Now we will go to the download folder. Here I have just double click the installer. Okay, just press these. It will complete installation in a few seconds. Installation is completed and just close. Okay, close this dialog box and search for this software. It is already installed. Just type K and you will see this software has been installed, and execute this. Okay, now let's identify the backspace key, on which number the backspace key is located. So you can see revamped key currently affected. No one key has been disabled, and now let's check which key is the backspace. We will press it, but it is short, so it will not show. So we have to look from here. So I think this is the backspace key. Okay, key selected is at 15 number, and this selected key is backspace. So from here you have to press disable. You have to click the apply button. Okay, what does it say? Registry has been updated new. So it is asking to restart the laptop. So just press no, and you can see here 15 number key is disabled, which is backspace. And let's exit this software. Now let's test if the problem has been solved or not. Let us go to Notepad again. Okay, type anything here. So let's press backspace. Doesn't do anything. So now let's press any other key from this line. Let me press 9.